Okay, guys, so we got these pork kebabs. I popped them off the actual kebab. I got fried pepperoni. And I'll put one more piece of pepperoni. I'm just on there. I got fried pepperoni and pork from the pork kebabs.
Cobb's bread.
On Cobb's bread with butter. And that's all I need. I don't need any condiments. I don't need anything, guys. That's just going to be delicious. The bread is so nice. It's real butter. It's so good. It's so good, guys. Pork kebabs, fried pepperoni, and Cobb's bread, and real butter. Oh, I lost a piece. Oh, man.